Mateys Corporation Limited of Jamaica. They said to tell you this, wives. People coulda take back the fuck, woulda take it back, but a man don't love it already. So while I chat to a chat, girl chat to my back, I come hold and pan him steady. Then you good walk out pan a song ya. You are the wife walk out pan a song ya. Your man love your body walk out, and everything in your life start to. Because my man a wife me up, my man a wife me up, my man a wife me up, I'm in a park like chop. My man a wife me up, my man a wife me up.
It has come to my attention that despite the fact that you have had matey, concubine, deputy wife, woman on the side, whatever you want to call them, since time immemorial, people are still incapable of dealing with these people's existence in a rational way. So there are a few things that I would like to say to the wifeys and the mateys of the world right now. And I'm pretty sure if you check it, Tifa have a song for either one of you. First thing, this is to the mateys. Please try to stop interfering in people's relationship. I know it can be very difficult, especially if you feel that you're in love with the person or the person your soulmate, but in as much as you can. Once you find out that this somebody have a wifey, leave. If you feel as though you cannot leave, still leave. Do what you can to try to normalize this thing and to make yourself less of a matey. Because here is the situation. You see, if you don't spend enough time as a matey, it make it very difficult for you to transition as a wifey. Because the people them already assume that you are comfortable in matey life and doesn't see why they must upgrade you. For your own good, lock your leg them, stop BBing them, and go on your ways. To the wives now. Nobody cannot take your somebody if them does not want to go. Partners usually weigh somewhere between 98, depending on how small they are, and up to 300 and something pound. One woman cannot lift up that somebody and take them from you. If your partner there with somebody else, is because they want that person. And in most instances, I know that we've been taught that women are Jezebels. Women are not that evil as to see somebody and willingly go after their person just to spite them. In most cases, a your smaddy, come look the people them smaddy. So let's get out of this now. The next thing is, please put the blame where it is supposed to be. The matey never make any type of promise to you that them was not going to look your smaddy. Your smaddy, however, did make a promise to you that them was not going to engage with them sexual parts with anybody's sexual parts. Therefore, blame the one you're with. You see, the same time that you forgive your partner and take them back, that is the time that you forgive the matey and move on with your life. Because it don't make sense you walking up and down with the same knife that did stab you up and I blame the other person. This is the knife that cut you. You're walking up and down with it in your hand. You cannot therefore blame the other person who supposedly used the knife to cut you. No, it's a knife to jump up and stab you. Now, to the mateys. If you insist upon being a matey, there are a few things that I need you to understand. You need to know your role. You need to know your role. Okay? When you did sign up for the concubinage, you did know exactly what you're going up at. Do not hype on the wife. It is not your place to walk up in public and tell anybody anything about any relationship that they are in, because when you did decide to take the people them man on the side, you took a vow of silence with that. So you live in the apartment, them live in the house. Do not go and ring anybody doorbell or call anybody home phone to tell them anything about what is going on in your apartment. You drive the Honda, them drive the Benz. It is not your place to go keying anybody car to making any statement or anything. If you have a problem with your life of concubinage, it is not for you to take it up with the wife. It is for you to take it up with the person that you're with. Now, women, can we please get out of this thing where we bypass the person in the middle and jump to hating the other woman in the situation? That makes no sense. And all it does is fosters a culture where people are allowed to have two partners who will fight with each other instead of holding them accountable. Hold the backside one person that the two of them is sleeping with accountable, because it's them why only even related to one another. Okay? No, I know that I sound angry, but it's because this thing is frustrating to me now. Me tired of people I blame matey for take them man. Me tired of matey I try to tell wife about how them know the person that don't have a problem with is the same person that don't refuse to let go of in the relationship, or don't want to chop off the matey and send her, but keep the man. You want to get rid of the wife, but keep the man. The man is a problem. That is the problem. Okay? Matey, when you look at matey crew a walk, you see the wife I walk with fair friend them, keep by your mouth. Turn away, pretend you don't see her, and hide the locket that the man did give you that look just like the one that you have on. Wifey, when you see a matey walking on the road, do not go and identify her and point out that she's a matey, because she could not be a matey if your man never bring her in. You see what I'm saying? The two only need for go and like have some backside or sense. Who want to listen to Tifa, go and listen to Tifa. Who want to listen to Tifa, go and listen to Tifa. There are songs for everybody that make you feel better about yourself. But when you're done feeling good about yourself, think about the fact that you're sharing body. Okay? Bye.